Hi, this is Matt from Dominus Plantarum, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cutting. We're going to talk about the plant material first here. I have two different kinds of cuttage here. That's the term used for cuttings, cuttage. And these look the same, but they're really different. Traditionally, when people talk about making cuttings, they're talking about using a small piece, maybe about this size, maybe a little bit smaller, but about 2 or 3 inches of plants. But what's important here is to talk about the nodes and the inner node area. On this plant here, you can clearly see the node, the next node, and this space in between is the inner node. The node is the place where the leaves come out and where also the roots come out of the nodes, not the inner node. No leaves or no roots come out of the inner node. So although this is 2 or 3 inches of cutting, which would seem like a good piece of cutting material to use, it's only going to root at the very bottom, which will make a very unstable plant. This other piece of cuttage I have here has many more leaf joints or nodes, and the inner node is very, very tight together. So since the leaves and the roots come out of these nodes and inner nodes, you're going to get a much more stable plant. Let me further illustrate that here by showing you this planting material here. So here we have it, we're looking at it, and I'm going to try to prepare a cutting here. Cutting that off, cutting this off, and we've arrived at the same thing that we have right here, which is going to be an unstable plant. Now here I want to show you this one. This is what you're looking for when you're looking for good cutting material, good cuttage, is very tight nodes and inner nodes closely spaced together. I'm going to remove the leaves here. So each place that I've removed a leaf is a place where roots can come out. Like cleaning off the cutting here, and there you are, you're ready to go. And what's nice about this is all those different places will root as like this one, and you'll have a much more stable plant versus this one here. So that's what I wanted to show you here, was the difference between this cutting material and this cutting material. And now we're going to move on and actually put the cuttings into a flat.